Good morning and welcome to the Jaguar F-Type, and we're heading to Silverstone with Supercar Driver for Supercar Sunday and the British GT500 race. So follow the journey, we'll take you in a few of the pits, we'll show you some cars, and we're going to have a look around what the British GT Championship is all about. So enjoy all of this. Right, we've come to the JetStream Motorsport garage where I'm here with Graham, the driver. Graham, how are you?
Good, thanks.
And I'm here with Matt, one of the team bosses. So tell me, what kind of car are you running here today?
I've got the V12 Vantage GT3 car.
Nice. And what engine is this running?
It's a 6-litre V12, but mildly played with.
Mildly played with?
Yeah, mildly played with.
That's the official definition.
Yeah.
And where are we looking at finishing today?
Top step,
obviously.
We're
Fantastic.
on P3 currently, 100th of a second off second place. I think we're in for a good race. Yeah, I think it's a long race, there'll be a lot of challenges, but it's about being consistent, keeping the car on the track, clean pit stops, and hopefully we get lucky with safety cars.
Safety cars, all about strategy.
Yeah. Big thank you to JetStream Motorsport for allowing me to join them in the race today. What an experience to be there with part of the team watching the race, and a big thanks to Supercar Driver for putting on another great display at Silverstone.